with rings.
That's former NCAA champion speaking. Strength and conditioning coach, Coach Hammer Martin Antonio. Of course, I'm here too. Anton Rojas, ang inyong lingkod. And of course, at courtside, we have Jens Supan, your broadcast team for this matchup between Letran and EAC.
So lumaki na itong lamang na to, Anton, with costly turnovers by EAC. Ito tingnan din natin on the bench. Si Kevin Santos was doing some single leg work, trying to see how he's doing. Tapos si Deo Quahaw is getting attended. Dumudumo nga yung ilong ni Quahaw. So activation exercises on with mini bands on the side. Si Kevin Santos, I think he tweaked something when he fell down. So we'll get an update with Yen later kung ano bang nangyayari dyan. Kasi dalawang main piece na to eh.
Tagotongan. New player on the floor.
I think it's his second game for this squad. Parehas din sila ng tingdig ni Montesillo. Pati yung chin strap, parehas eh.
And all of a sudden, the generals were like sharks smelling blood in the water.
Usually, ganyan ang instruction. Especially pagka bagong pasok yung guard. Good backdoor. Ito ang automatic. This is an automatic read when it comes to EAC. Pag nagtakbo sila ng double high play, usually naka-A set yan eh. Dalawa nasa corner. Pero once they choose a side, buma-backdoor. Laging ba-backdoor yung wing player. Maganda makita natin mamaya ulit yun. But ito, on that single high, makikita natin di lang nakita sa ilalim. It's an automatic read dahil si number 25 is caught napping, ball watching right there. Every time, it's a habit that they've been using the whole of season na pag gumamit ng ball screen, ba-backdoor para maging empty corner yun.
Jumawas. Wow, what a shot by James Jumawas.
Shot maker din talaga and good percentage player itong si Jumawas. Tsaka maaasahan mo sa depensa. Doon kumakarga si Coach Allen eh. Pagka reliable ka defensively, you would get minutes from him.
Gurtiza. Wow, what a move! King Gurtiza with a burst of speed.
And that's what he really improved in his game. Na ang diin na niya umatake ngayon and with the experience in the pro leagues din talaga, gave him a lot of confidence.
And speaking of improve his game, Avilanar, we've been raving about his improved outside shot. Gurtiza, not that time.
Player of the weekend.
Doromal picks up the loose ball. Doromal in and out. Axel Doromal. That's the Doromal that we know.
Kuha ng bola off the backcourt. Canceling the screen. Ito muna yung penetration. One rip, dire-diretso. Ang layo ng help ni Dimaano na kuha pang ibaba yung bola. Inangat. A little show and go.
Umupo sa ere.
Nagmerienda pa. Sakto, alas 3. So calling this open play. Ang Letran Knights.
Avilanar again, ready to shoot.
And looking to shoot.
Harvey. Pagsanhan. Pagsanhan. Leaves the ground. Oh, reverse layup is money.
And Jacob. Pinaunlakan tayo. Kakapasok lang. May dukot agad sa ilalim. Wala nang pupuntahan doon. Pero palit bumbilya.
Avilanar, this time, takes it inside. Basket is good. Let's get an update at courtside now with Jens Supan.
EAC and Letran have already proven that they have the capability of pressuring powerhouse teams, but now that they are going up against each other, they both have other plans aside from stopping the power scoring machines of their opponent. Sa kapanan ng Letran, sinabi ng coaching staff nila na hindi pwede na isa lang ang may alam ng play. Every single one of them needs to be on the same page to limit turnovers and fouls. Ang plano naman ng EAC is to keep pressuring defense. Kung ano ang ibibigay ng pressure ng kabila, ibabalik nila. They want the Knights to feel the Generals' pressure. That's all for now. Back to you, Anton and Coach Hammer.
Yep, that's definitely what they need to try to get back on the win column. But right now, Letran just riding off that momentum. from their last win against Benil.
Alam mo, pakiramdam ko, itong Letran, napagpag na nila yung jitters eh. Kasi kita mo ngayon, they're in control, they're running their sets, they're not rushing, and alam na nila kung saan dadalhin yung bola. Nakuha na nila yung hierarchy ng points of attack nila.
Oh, Gurtiza makes his defender disappear. King Gurtiza is putting on a show.
Tighter handle, no? Si King Gurtiza this season. I think it's his last year na rin. So, that's really a nice improvement for him. Pero offensive rebound na naman dito si Kevin Santos. With scrappy hands by De Vera.
You're right about that. It's Gurtiza's 5th and final year in the NCAA. He was a rookie in season 95. So that was before the pandemic.
Oh, okay yung Hakob, ah. Meron na naman siyang rebound touch doon. 50-50 ball.
Gurtiza. Gurtiza, too strong. Bola napunta kay Avillonar. Avillonar trying to go coast to coast. Loses control and...
Natapilok siya doon.
Oh, wow, he's holding on to his right ankle.
Oo, on that. Kita natin naka-ankle brace naman si Pau Avillonar. But getting in transition, getting off speed, walang contact. So Pau Avillonar is holding on to his right ankle. This was in transition, pushing that basketball. Hindi ko alam kung may naapakan siya dito, pero he was all alone here. Ayun. That's when he turned his ankle. Nag-hustle lang si De Vera. It was an accident. Kasi hustling for the ball. Buti lang naka-ankle brace. Ayun, no? He turned his ankle.
And the good news is he's walking back to the bench
pero
under his
yun.
own power.
Sakit yun. Babadyelo yan mamaya after game. Pero hindi pa mamamaga agad yan. Just need to lace up that ankle brace tighter and you're good to go.
All right, we'll take a break. EAC down by 4.
This is a moment, sa puso mo, the sky is the limit. Tara na, masama-sama, dahil together, we own the future.
Almost a steal. Actually, he completes the steal. Paeng Are, bumitin sa ere. Paeng Are. Wow!
And one.
So we're looking at this last sequence. King Gurtiza falling down to the ground.
Hindi bibituhan. Contact eh. Contact trying to... Kung pipituhan ng referees natin, ang lahat ng contact, hindi tayo matatapos ng isang laro. Hindi tayo... Sama yan eh. Wala namang extra motion. It was just contact. Pagka marunong ka bumigay, kailangan marunong ka rin tumanggap. Yun lang yun.
Play resumes. And Letran easily breaks the press. Santos.
Good pass.
Montecillo, 14 on the shot clock. Montecillo with a crossover. Santos with the finish. Kevin Santos.
Diba, basic. Pagka nandun ka lang sa dunker spot sa ilalim, Nat Montecillo lulled the defense to sleep. You know, habits eh. Habits, no helper. De Vera nandun nakastick dun sa shooter kasi Teo Quahao tumama na. So pag na-breakdown talaga on that pick and roll tapos sumama yung tao, shooter eh, loaded side. So libre ang dunker spot. At yan ang laro ni Kevin Santos. Maalala natin, yan yung game-winning shot. Nandun din siya sa dunker spot and Nat Montecillo found him. So that's how important guards are na magagaling bumasa. Very basic single high. Binasa lang yung kung nasa nanggaling yung help. Kevin Santos, abang-abang ka lang sa ilalim. And
8 points in a game para kay Santos. Loristo throws it out to Devara. Gurtiza. Gurtiza to Devara.
you have to shoot that. That was a free three.
Devara, wild shot.
Should have shot that open na nung pagpasa ni Gurtiza. Yung sinasabi, 2 beses ka nang nalibre. You let it fly. You let it fly. 2 beses siya na-hit na libre in rhythm. You gotta shoot that.
Montecillo.
Zoom.
Santos, hand off to Estrada. Wow! Good ball movement by the Knights. Dunag, wide open in the paint.
Doon na naman. Nasa may low, sa short way, low L, small L area. Nandun lang siya, doon sa pa-letter L na gano'n. Tingnan mo, nandun lang siya. Zoom action, bumakdoor si Deo Cuajao, ball screen. No? Ito yung zoom, small L, right there. Binasa lang kasi small guy Si Jacob namimili ngayon. Sinong kukunin ko? Si Kevin Santos nakakuha ng puntos. Nandun siya masyadong malalim sa ring. So pagkakuha, floater na lang talaga yan. Yan yung mga tinatawag niya, tinuturo ng mga bagong reads for the big guys. Nandun yung 2-on-1 sa ilalim.
7 on the shot clock. Harvey Pagsanhan,
Oh,
still
airball.
cold. Gurtiza, no. Estrada comes up with a board. Estrada.
So, hinahatak na lang.
Estrada. Harap-harapan. Masyado malakas. Pagsanhan. Accelerates. Harvey Pagsanhan, what a move!
That is when he is the deadliest. Going downhill, getting a good flat screen galing kay Jacob. Dire-diretso na may buwelo. Doon mahirap pantayan si Harvey Pagsanhan. Yung flat screen na yun, papunta sa baseline. Tapos nakabuwelo. Layo ng take-off. Pwede sa athletics. Long jumper.
18 seconds on the shot.
He was hovering.
Saka sneaky yung athleticism nito ni Pagsanhan.
Santos. Bothered. Oh!
Tapek.
So it will stay with the
23
AC.
seconds on the shot clock.
Gurtiza, baseline jumper, no. And Estrada comes up with a rebound. Here's Jimboy. Deo fires nothing but the bottom of the net.
And yung mga tira ni Deo Cuajao ang dadali. Nakakatuwa siya panoorin kasi mas komportable na siya ngayon. Komportable talaga. And hindi mo nararamdaman that he forces his shots. Ito in rhythm, just getting set up, running his lane. Medyo mababa pa nga Gusto niya dun sa corner na corner Pero konting flyby, konting jab. That's an easy shot for him.
Timeout.
Deo Cuajao with 11 points to lead all scorers in the game. We'll be back.
This is our league. This is our moment. Sa puso mo, the sky is the limit. Tara na.
Kung sa Season 99 ay may new heroes of the game, itong unang siglo ay meron ding OG heroes ang NCAA. Hindi lang kasi mga sports legends at mga sikat na celebrities ang naging bunga ng NCAA schools, kundi pati na rin ang mga pambansang bayani ng Pilipinas at dating presidente. Produkto ng Kolehiyo de...
There are the ladies. There they are in our cutie cam on this Wednesday, but dressed up like it's Friday.
Alright. Back to the ball game. Gandang adjustment na ginagawa dito ng Letran with the way that they're reading off that screen and running their lanes. Tsaka underrated passer si Estrada. Underrated passer. Tsaka pag wala na siyang atake, hinahatak na to engage the offense. Of course, he is one of the top 3 scorers natin in the league. So averaging 17 a game sila ni Pau Havillonar. But again, they would trade those numbers for wins. Kasi alam na ng mga coaches na may-score sila.
Jimboy has 5 assists in this game.
Iverson screen.
Montecillo.
Ball screen.
Montecillo. Nunak has to shoot. Wow, knows it. Just a little bit short on that shot. But it was a good line for Guahao.
Violation.
I have to admit, ganda panoorin ng Letran, the way that they're executing. Pero maganda rin yung depensa ng EAC right there. Walang clear path. Yung atake ni Nunag, contained. That's why that was a shot clock violation. Good defense by EAC.
Ochavo. Binalik kay Kinang. Loristo.
Oh, quick hands.
Stolen away by Estrada. And Jimboy Estrada.
Oh, that's a basket. Goaltending.
Goaltending baskets good for Jimboy Estrada.
Yep, clearly a goaltend.
Yup. Pwede mong galawin yung bola pag nasa loob ng cylinder. The role of Gabe Norwood for the national team dati. Pag may tumitira tapos nasa loob ng cylinder, pwede mong tapikin yan under FIBA rules. Pero pagka papunta pa lang doon, it's a goaltend.
And it hit the board first too.
Yep.
Kinang.
0 minutes.
Pagsanhan. Pagsanhan. No. Bakod. Yes.
And that's what you need. You need impact points from other guys. Si Jacob may 4 na puntos na. Ito si Bakod. Paambag-ambag lang si Loristo. Nakapag-ambag na rin. So, now your big guns along with King Gortiza should provide heavier firepower.
Backdoor. Guahao. Gets the ball back. Oh. Late decision, but Santos gets it to go just in time.
Ball talaga nakakapit dun sa pasa. Good at selfish basketball. Ito muna yung atake ni Harvey Pagsanhan.
Now the number 9 Harvey Pagsanhan.
And put back by Bakod. Pero yung extra passing, wow. Finding Kevin Santos underneath the basket.
For Kevin Santos.
So another end one play for Kevin Santos. Tama. Mukhang tama si paring Bo. That was the confidence booster that Kevin Santos needed to get going here in Season 100. Double-digit scorer in the first half. 2 boards and 1 block.
And he's well within striking range of his career high, which is 16 points. Now he's got 11. Silang dalawa ni Deo ang namumuna dito para sa Letran. Luciano misfiring. Santos with another rebound.
So calling this play ice for Letran.
Estrada.
Rolled inside. Offensive foul.
Offensive foul number 1.
On that switch, gusto i-seal si Kyle Ochavo. So curious pa rin ako eh. Gusto ko malaman dito sa mga officials natin. Pagka smaller guy, tapos ini-slice ka, ina-anchoran ka if you're a big guy, paano mo isi-seal ng tama na hindi ka matatawagan ng offensive foul?
Oh, Santos erases that shot. Kinal. Ochavo. Pagsanhan. Luciano Santos is there again. Another one. Kevin Santos.
Third block.
What a game he has played.
that 1-4. Last shot time. Time to cook.
Estrada, natapikan. Pagsanhan. 5 seconds to go. Harvey. Kinal at the buzzer. And that will do it for the first half. The Letran
At the end
Knights
of the half,
are
it's
off
47
to a fiery start. They lead EAC 47 to 33 as we head to the halftime break.